So over here you can see that I got a Sway document and I have already applied a style right here. So let's say I want to use the same style in another document, and let's say I want to make some changes. In order to do that, what you can simply do is create a duplicate Sway. So in order to do that, you can simply go over here on to more option, and then you can duplicate this Sway. So once you click on this, what happens is that it gives you an option to create a duplicate. So I'm just going to go around and say Office 365, which is the title of my document right here. So I'm going to say Office 365 version 2 just like this, and I'm going to duplicate this out. So it's duplicating the Sway as you can see, and what happens is that now the Sway is duplicated and you will be able to access it from the home page. And it has duplicated it now, and you can see that it says we have successfully created a copy of the Sway on your My Sway page. So you can edit it now or go to My Sway. So I'm just going to go to My Sway, and over here in My Sway you can see that version 2 has been created. So I can simply go in and start editing that Sway document. So it is a duplicate version, so I can go around, change the information and adjust it to my need. And that is how you can duplicate Microsoft Sway documents in Microsoft Sway. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.